ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Snapchat map not showing location. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and head into your settings and then look for the location services, which is generally inside of privacy and security. This is where you want to make sure that location services are on and make sure that it is on for Snapchat as well. If that is already the case, then you might have a potential update. Simply go ahead and head to your App Store or Play Store and simply go ahead and search for Snapchat. Then you want to tap on the application. If there are any updates available, there is going to be an update button. Simply tap on that. If that is not the case, then simply go ahead and open your Snapchat. Head to your Maps tab, and this is where you want to simply go ahead and turn off your ghost mode. It should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't, then uninstall and reinstall the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.